This is my old house. I need to get it torn down so I can build new on this basement. But first, before I do that, got to get rid of some stuff in here. There's this old car. It is a 1967 Plymouth Belvedere GTX convertible. They made very few of these. This one happens to have the 440 Super Commando. Yes, it is the high performance block. You probably can't read that. And it's getting some light rust on it. It needs to be taken care of before it really gets bad. Anyway, 67 GTX convertible, 440 Super Commando, 727 automatic. Got the console, shifter. Not much light in here. I wish there was better. It was wrecked on this quarter panel by a previous owner. There's mud in the quarter, so that quarter needs to be replaced. The rest of the sheet metal is in decent condition. Surface rust is starting to get kind of bad. It's been sitting in this basement for 20 years, and it needs a good home. I do have the original hood, some of the other stuff, fan shroud, carburetor, a twin snorkel air cleaner that all came off the car, and a VIN number. It's gonna be right here, which you probably can't read. Anyway, it's RS27 L77 174815. Look it up. It is an original. It's rough. It's rare. And it needs a good home. Belvedere GTX, 1967. First year for the GTX was 1968. This was an option on the Belvedere. Like I say, they made 241. Needs a good home. I'll never do anything with it. So the first guy here with $14,000 in a trailer, which I have dropped the price. Started advertising about a year ago for $18,000, and got a couple of lookers and tire kickers, but nobody's serious. So if you're looking for a exceptional project that your buddy down the block ain't gonna have, that could be it. So that's it.